There's one more thing to add in order to finish off this screen, which is to make the confirm order button work. We're not actually going to send the order off somewhere, but we are going to show an alert confirming that it all went through successfully. Like other things in this form, this requires us to add another @state property, this time tracking whether the alert is visible or not. And this is where I hope the reactive nature of SwiftUI starts to become clear. We don't say show the alert or hide the alert like we would do in UIKit, but instead we say here are the conditions where the alert should be shown, and let SwiftUI figure out when those conditions are met. So first let's create another @state property saying the payment alert isn't currently showing. I'll say @state private var showing payment alert is false, like that. Next, we'll attach an alert modifier to our form with a two-way binding to that property. So down here, we have our title. At the end of that, I'll say .alert is presented attached to showing payment alert, like that. And there is more code to come in here in just a second. Now this is a two-way binding. Showing payment alert has a $sign in front of it. This is done so that SwiftUI knows to show the alert when showing payment alert becomes true, and will also set showing payment alert back to false when the alert is dismissed. What alert? Well, that's the alert that will show a confirmation of the price they paid plus an OK button. So we'll put this into place of this more to come comment. We'll make an alert with the title being text of order confirmed, then some message saying your total was $string interpolation total price using the specifier of %.2f. Just like last time, so we get 13.80 rather than 13.8000 and so forth. Then we'll say thank you. And then after that, we'll write a dismiss button using a default dismiss button with a text saying OK, like that. Now we can make that alert show whenever we want, just by setting showing payment alert to true. So we have this place the order comment here, replace that with self.showingPaymentAlert.toggle. Flip it from false to true. And now we can build and run the code again, one last time. It's really coming together now. So I'll choose Power Muesli, then go to the order screen, then choose place order, choose our tip, I'll pay by credit card, add our loyalty card points, I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then press confirm order, and there's our alert. Total was $6, thank you.